Okay, let's do a quick unboxing and really fast review of the Paladin Generation 2 or G2 short. I ordered black in size 36. Delivery was pretty fast, less than a week, and these were on sale. I think I have the Paladin 1, which is has the poles on the side, and I liked it a lot. Pretty much ordered the same size. But what was attractive to these outside the sale price was it's a training short. And I just wanted something that I could throw on. I wear the Paladin Generation 1, I guess you'd call it, during the day. And I wanted something if I went for a quick run, which I need to do more of. If you watch the videos, you realize that. So this is considered a minimalist short. It's got a zippered thigh pocket here. Let's see what that looks like. Okay. Oh, it's sewn in, so you can't pull the pocket out. Interior of the pocket's the same material. So it's not the mesh, it's the same material of the pant, which is not a ton of stretch, not a lot of stretch, but you can kind of see the light through it. There, that gives you, and that's most of the material, so it's kind of double layered there, where you can't see through it there, but in all other parts, being directly under the light, you can see it. That's a nice feature. That gives you a solid wallet, because I don't really like it when they use the mesh inside there. It's got something that if anybody uses it to hold stuff there. I guess they call it Toray.air. I don't know what that means. Some type of micro pore technology. Once again, you can kind of see right through there the difference. Solid upper right pocket. Same scenario there. That's pretty solid, the same material, instead of the mesh, which I don't really feel is very solid when I use it. So I like that a lot. I guess that this micro pore technology gives it some airflow. That's what they say. It makes it breathable. It looks like it, because you can kind of, when I put that part in the light, you can kind of see right through there. So I guess that helps with the fast drying and the breathability of the fabric that they mention. Easy care. What's the care instructions say? This is a 36. I got the black, 100% polyester. Machine wash cold, do not bleach. No fabric softener. Wash garments separately, but you can machine wash, tumble dry, or line dry. I usually line dry these things. They say don't dry clean. I like this if it holds up. This will be interesting to see. The other one has the poles on the side, and I'm wearing them right now because I wear them. I have two pair, and it's mostly what I wear during the day in the warmer months. So they're just great. I think it used to be that they marketed it as a swim trunk, and this isn't the case here. They came up with another line, some kind of Nautilus thing or something like that. We'll see if we ever do that. There's fake looking fly, but there's no fly, so you gotta pull down when you gotta do the lady or man thing. The pocket lining is great. I love that. I haven't tried them on yet, but the pocket lining is very good. So you probably put, and it's deep. It's deep. So if you carry certain things in your pocket, it looks like you could hold them pretty well, if you know what I mean. Okay, this is, as always, they've got a good strong zipper here, which is a positive. They've got some elastic in the waist. You can, again, when you put it into the light, you can see through there. Here's the back. Let's take a look at the inseam, and then that'll be it. I think it's a 7-inch or something like that. And I guess they measure it from about here to there. It says not, it's about 9, but I really think it's closer to considered a 7-inch, but it looks like a 9-inch inseam, so it's going to give you, should be a little bit longer, not 11, but looks like 9, because that's where it is. From the crotch down is a perfect 9 inches. Overall, we'll see how it fits, see what we think of it. Normally, Triple S products are great. It's got the little ties here, so these shouldn't get lost inside there, as what happens. Sometimes you might want to tie another knot, but we'll see how they fit and let you know. Hopefully this helps you. Have a great day. When you first pick up the shorts to actually wear them, you'll kind of be startled by how light they actually are, almost as if they're not really there. It's kind of amazing. The drawstring simply works. It's minimalist, and hopefully it holds up over time. But Triple Aught has a good record with regard to the manufacture of their products. Inseam rides right above the knee for me, which is comfortable. Movement so far has been super comfortable without any constraints, something I'm going to wear almost every day in the warmer months. I wear a 34 normally, but I buy the 36 in the Triple Aught products. This might be some advice that works for you too. It's a small company, so it's not the easiest with returns and exchanges, especially on sale items. That's been my experience, but they make a good product. I'll give you a 1-year update, but what I'm definitely going to do now is buy another pair.